mga Magayonon. So I'm going to Uluwatu today. I just booked a Grab. And ayun, pasakay na ako. Ayun, so dito pala ako nakastay sa Wayan House. So I'll show you yung Wayan House probably tomorrow. Ayun, so yeah, I'm going to Uluwatu. Oh my gosh, kasi wala akong magawa dito sa Seminyak. Actually, wala masyadong magawa dito sa Seminyak for some reason. So ayun, so I just hired him for like 350,000 rupiah and the whole day na yun. So he's gonna wait for me every time na pupunta ko kung saan. Okay na yun, as in, kaysa yung iba kasi parang 500 or 800 yung sasakyan car. So I think it's fine. Ayan, so I'll show you yung ano, kung ano yung tsura ng Seminyak. So ito yung Seminyak. Today, we're riding from Seminyak to Uluwatu on a Grab motorbike, one of the easiest and most convenient ways to travel across Bali. The journey covers approximately 20 to 25 kilometers depending on your exact starting point and destination, and usually takes around 45 minutes to 1 hour depending on traffic. As we leave Seminyak, the roads are lined with trendy cafes, boutiques, and lively streets, and gradually the scenery changes as we head south, passing local neighborhoods, small temples, and stretches of tropical greenery. Riding on a motorbike makes it easy to weave through traffic and enjoy the open air. Along the way, you'll catch glimpses of Bali's everyday life with roadside warungs, colorful offerings, and occasional views towards the coastline. As we approach Uluwatu, the roads become quieter and more scenic, winding through limestone hills and lush landscapes. It's a comfortable, affordable, and efficient way to travel, letting you spend less time in traffic and more time enjoying Bali's beautiful surroundings. So this is Thomas Beach?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Because,
So it's like secluded. Nga Magayonon, so I'm here now sa Thomas Beach. I'm going to the Thomas Beach. Sinabi ko nga, galing ako sa Seminyak. And then there's a dog. It's Thomas Beach. Oh wow, look at that. Whoa, okay. So this is Thomas Beach. Very secluded. A secluded beach. I don't know if I'm gonna stay here for probably just 1 hour and then I'll go to Padang Padang. Parang maganda dun sa Padang Padang actually. So ayan siya. So talagang hihingalin kapag bumaba. Ayan, look oh. This is Padang. Yung itsura niya pababa oh. Pero ayan no. Oh, ang daming aso. Wala masyadong pumupunta here. Hello, doggy. Look at those doggy. Ooh. Ayan, ang daming trash. So this is Thomas Beach, the famous Thomas Beach. Ito pala siya. Oh. Ayan. Mabato. Mabato siya. Pero malino yung tubig, at least a white sand. Look at that. Oh, di ba? There. White sand, pero mabato, guys. So, ayun na nga, mga Magayonon. I'm here now sa Thomas Beach. Yung one of sabi nila, it's one of the nicest beach dito sa Uluwatu. And I'm here and I'm gonna show you kung anong itsura niya. Yun. So, okay, let me show you. I just got here actually, but I don't know if I'm gonna swim. But I'll show you kung ano itsura ng Thomas Beach. Okay. Okay, so this is Thomas Beach. I'm just gonna show you a little bit of, of Thomas Beach. Kaya pala ganito siya na mayroong mga trash and there's a lot of like stones. Pebbles. It's because nagkaroon pala dito ng bagyo a month ago. Kaya ayun yung tawag niya, yung warong nung ate. Yung nakausap ko siya, she's there. Ang sabi niya, before, yun ang warong niya. Ngayon, nagiba siya because of the bagyo. Yung cyclone, like a year ago. So, eto siya. So, this is, grabe, high tide kasi ngayon. Ayan, kaya ganyan. I'm just gonna show you kung anong itsura ng Thomas Beach. Actually, pag doon, maganda. Pag malayo pala doon, mas maganda pala. At ang maganda dito, walang entrance. Walang entrance fee. So, pagpasok mo lang, ano yan, wala lang. Tapos pwede ka rin yung mga sunbed na yan. It's like 50,000 dirham pag isa. So, there. Maganda dito yung sand. Oo, maganda siya. Okay, so ayan, ito lang ang Thomas Beach. Ayun, inaayos pa nila. At ayun, ito go back kasi yung things ko nandoon pala siya. So ayan, I don't wanna go there anymore kasi sobrang alayo na. Okay, that's it. So this is Thomas Beach, guys. And then next stop ko is I'm gonna go to Saluban Beach. Alright, bye! See you there! So our next stop, guys, we're going to Suluban Beach. One of the famous beach dito sa Bulawan. I had a great time dun sa Thomas Beach. It's really a nice beach. It's very smooth. Konti lang yung mga tao nandun. And I'll show you kung ano yung itsura ng papunta dun sa Suluban. To Suluban. Ano talaga pala kainan dito? Dito na yung parking ng Suluban. So we're here now. Yan guys, ito yung papuntang Suluban. Puro na lang stairs. Yung sa Thomas Beach, ganun din. Itong Suluban, ganun din. Ayun. Pero let's see. Stairs. Diba? More stairs pababa. So ito yung papuntang Suluban Beach. Parang feeling ko dito lang muna ako kumain. Ay, pwede ko kumain dito. Kain mo na kaya ako here. It's very nice over there. Pero yeah, punta muna ako sa baba and let's see kung ano itsura niya. So may mga shop din dyan, look. Okay. Suluban Beach. Ayan, oh my God, diba ang ganda niya, look. Oh, wow. Dahan-dahan lang tayo dito at baka tayo malaglag sa kakablog, no? Oh, but it's really nice, look. Hey! So ito yung Suluban, very nice. Oh, wow. I love it. It's so nice here. Dito sa Suluban Beach. Ayan, look at that. Oh, diba? Ang ganda. Delphi. Meron pala Delphi Warung. Wow. Mas bababa. Wow. So very nice. Look. Wow. Look at that. Diba? So that is Suluban. Very beautiful. Oh, diba? Ang ganda. Yay! My photo. So this is in Waro. Oh, wow. Ah, so na ganyan pala siya. Kaya pala mahal dito. Look at that. Look at the view. O, diba? This is Warong Delphi. Medyo pricey lang yung pagkain dito. Pero, ayun. Hello. Pero look at the view. O, diba? Wow. Beautiful. So, ayan guys. We're going to Padang-Padang this night. Ayun. I'm having a great time. Wow. I was actually thinking of not going to this Uluwatu because yesterday I felt so sick dahil dun sa kinain ko. But now, I'm so glad that I did went here sa Uluwatu. Uluwatu is really beautiful pala. So, I'll show you yung yung sa may Padang-Padang kasi parang ang ganda nung niya, yung view dun kanina sa may sa may bridge. I'll show you. And look at that. Ayan diba? Malapit na tata tayo sa Padang-Padang. Si Ate sa So talagang it's advisable na pag dito ka sa Bali, advisable na mag-hire ng motorbike or pag marunong ka mag-motorbike, dito lang ito na yung famous na bridge. It's really nice. Look. Look at that. Yes, look at that bridge. Oh, wow. So that's Padang-Padang. Wow. Padang Beach. I think there's an entrance fee here, right? Yeah. Ayan, there's an entrance fee to get inside the Padang-Padang. Oh, okay. Ayan yung line. Alright, let's see how much. So, ayan na guys. Nandito na ako sa sa Padang-Padang Beach. Tapos may entrance pala siya papasok. It's only like 15,000 rupiah. So, yun. Oh, ayan. Ayan yung babayaran. Na hindi over there. No. So hello, nandito na ako ngayon sa Uluwatu Temple. So bibili na ako ng ticket. And kailangan mo magsuot ng sarong. Kailangan mo magsuot ng sarong. So I'm here now. I'm gonna show you kung magkano ang ticket niya is 50. It's 50,000 rupiah. Okay. So yun yung babayaran ko. 50,000 rupiah. And they're open from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. Papunta doon sa loob. So you need to wear sarong like everyone else like that. Oh, ayan. So yeah. Ayan. So kailangan natin mag-wear ng something na ganyan. Okay. So ayun nga. So kailangan mo mag-wear ng sarong. So I'm wearing sarong now. Sorry. Ayan. Ayan siya. I wonder how... Okay. Ang cute ng ang cute niya. So I'll go inside now, guys. Ayan, so this is my ticket. I'm gonna give it to someone here. Wala, ang dami ng tao. Tapos yung Kejak dance daw. It's another ticket. Here. Ayan si Kuya, oh. Thank you. Alright, so let's go inside. Oh, la la la, ganda ko. Ito ang ganda, di ba? Uluwatu Temple. Ang alam ko maganda ang ano dito. Maganda ang sunset. Ayan o, ayan o. Ala, yung pagkain kinuha dun kay ate. Bigla na lang kinuha. Kaya ayan o, mag-iingat kayo sa mga monkey. Kasi ang dami nga ditong monkey. Nangahablot sila ng mga ano, bagay-bagay. Kasi ate, hinablot na lang yung ano niya, pagkain. Ay, sa Kejak dance. Of course, 7 p.m. here. 7 p.m. Oh. Okay. Daming tao. Oh my God. On the spot.
Yeah, so anyway, so I get onto the bus.
So ito yung babilang ka ng oo nga, yan nga yung pagbibili ka ng ticket. Oh, ang haba ng pila ng Kejak dance, yung fire dance. Parang bibili ba pa ako? Here, reservation only, online ticket. Oh, okay, ayan pala siya. 150,000 rupiah. Manood ako niyan mamaya. Later. But for the meantime, I'm gonna show you kung ano yung Uluwatu Temple. Oh, very nice, oh. Ayan, ulo. Look at that. Ang ganda. At alam ko maganda ang sunset dito. Na tayo kasi that's the reason I'm here para bumili ng ano. Ito haba ng pila. Sana meron pa. Oo. It's okay. So this is where you pay.
Sige ba? Hindi. Masih satu aja tiga.
Selamat sore.
Tiga na ba? Dosis pertama udah habis. Pak Kiuris bisa Pak?
Oh, there's no more.
Sesi kedua. Second show.
6 sore, tiket kami sudah habis terjual. Lagi kami mengadakan tiket untuk lintasan terkecak yang pertama jam 6
I don't know what
sore.
happened. So my God, so hindi ako makakapanood ng ano, yung sa Kejak, yung fire dance kasi close na raw. Yung first na show. I don't wanna wait for like 7:30 daw yung next na show and I can't do that because sa Seminyak pa ako, di ba? So I'm just gonna roam around and I'll show you kung ano lang itsura nitong ano. Ano itsura nitong temple. Okay.
Sesi kedua, di mana pementasan terkecaknya akan dimulai pada
Ala? Ay! Ala? Oh no! Nangahablo talaga sila mga bagay-bagay. Ayan, the temple. This is what the temple looks like. Uralu, Uluwatu. Let's go up over there. Oops. Di ba nga? Ayan o. Kailangan mo higpitan yung hawak sa mga nakaloka.
Strawberry.
Sorry. Ayun siya o. Huwag mo lang siyang titingnan. Kasi pag tiningnan mo siya,
I'm thinking they're selling to others monkey.
What is this fruit?
look at that. Ay, parang ang daming tao dito. Ang ganda kasi ng view. Look. Look at that view. Oh my gosh. Wow. Diba? Ang ganda ng view dun sa ano. Oh, ang dami nga lang nagpapapicture.
No quiero sacar el...
Pa-picture, bonggang-bongga. Sobrang dami. Ah, wow. Even here, oh. Iti kuya, pero bet-bet lang. Ayan, no. Ang ganda, no. Wow. So, reality check. So, sobrang ang dami ng tao dito. Sobrang dami ng turist. My God. Maganda sana, pero ang daming tao. Ayan, no. Ganito ang itsura dito sa Uluwatu Temple. Daming tao.
امين خليك بسرعه يا امين هري اب
Yan, no. Ang ganda. No? Pahinga ka dyan, te. Pahinga siya, oh. Ooh. Ganda dito, in fairness. Ang ganda ng Uluwatu Temple. Gusto ko sana manood ng Keja, kaso it's already closed. 7:30 pa yung next na show. I can't do that because maybe when I get back here, then I can do it. There's a photo shoot. So there. So this is the rest. Dito walang masyadong tao. Look at that. Oh. If you can just hear the sound of the birds, sobra. O, konting tao dito, in fairness. Ayan. Beautiful. So, ayan. My God. I'm so glad pumunta ako dito sa Uluwatu Temple. Look at the view, di ba? Ayun, nakikita nyo doon. Sobrang ganda, promise. So, wala pa yung sunset. I'll gotta wait for the sunset here. Ayun. Ito yung pinakadulong-dulo na. Ayan. Tapos yung pagpasok dito, parang 50,000 rupiah lang. But if you wanna watch the fire dance, yung Kejak dance, it's 150,000 rupiah. Yun nga lang yung first show close na. So, second show na. And which I can't do that kasi nga Seminyak pa ako. So, I can't wait for the second show. So, siguro next time na lang pag pumunta ako ulit dito. Pag may kasama na ako, no? Pero look at that. It's so beautiful. I'll show you. Ayan, sila dito. Ang ganda ng dulo-dulo. At look at the view. Ang sarap na namin. Diba? Ang ganda. I so love it. Good morning mga magayonon. I'm here right now sa tinutuluyan ko here sa Seminyak. And I'll show you the place. So we're gonna have like a room tour and I don't know if you call it, well, a house tour then. This is Wayan House. Okay, I'll show you. So this is the entrance going to the Wayan House. Look. Yeah. So this is their reception area. No, that's the reception area. That's the one reception area there. And those are the rooms. And my room is over there, so we're gonna check that out later on. But I'm just gonna show you the things that you can actually do here. It's actually free breakfast and yeah, it's free breakfast. And I'm staying here for like 4 nights? Oh, 5 nights actually. 5 nights. And it's only cost me like 5,700 pesos. Well, yeah, roughly that amount. Ooh, and look at that. It looks beautiful. Look, koi fish. Diba? Yeah. So this place is really nice. And then you can also rent the bike. It's like 90,000 per day, 90,000 rupiah per day. But I don't know how to, to drive. That's why I'm not gonna rent any bike at all. Especially here, driving here in Bali is like, oh God. Okay, and this is also their kitchen. So they have their, yeah, look, this is the kitchen. So you can cook if you want to cook. And they have like free coffee here, free tea if you want. So that's it. Yeah, this is it. So if you want to cook and you can eat here if you want to. Or you can bring it at your room. So yeah, it's really nice. Okay. All right, so there you go. So this is the place. And I think the owner actually lives here. I think that's their house. I think so. Well, I'm not so sure. And they have like a temple. I think every house here is a temple. And then that's the second floor. Yeah, that's really, really good. Okay, so let's go here. Yeah, this is very Instagrammable. So if you like to take photos, oh wow, look. I don't know if I can go inside over there. That's there. Well, it shows. I don't know. I don't know if I can. But it doesn't show like do not enter. But it's their temple, so I cannot just go inside if I wanted to. There. So these are the rooms. And this is my room. All by myself. Look. There. And I'm gonna show you how it looks like. Look. So ayan, diba? So it's a queen size bed, I believe. So you have TV, a fridge as well, a personal fridge, a cabinet. So if you want to work, that's what I do. I work for a bit, so I can actually work there. And this is the toilet or the shower room there. It's huge. So it's actually worth it for For 5,000 pesos, I think this room is really good. And this is good for 2 persons. So, yeah. There you go, guys. That's it. That's the end of our room tour or the house tour. Since this is a house, a Hawaiian house. I don't know if you're gonna call it like a resort or whatever. But yeah. So if you ever visit Seminyak, you can check this out. This is really pretty nice. You know, I've been here in Bali for like 11 days. Well, it's my 9th day now. So this is actually one of the best resort that I've been, or I don't know, homestay. Yeah, there you go. It's a homestay. So this is the best homestay that I've been to, because I went to Ubud, I went to Canggu, and then here in Seminyak. And I can say that this is one of the best accommodation that I had here in Bali. So yeah, so if ever you visited Seminyak, you check this out, especially if you're with someone else. So it's cheaper for you to stay here, there. Anyway, yeah, this is really beautiful. So it's a beautiful day today. It is Saturday, so I'm probably gonna go out. I've been out, all day yesterday. So I'm probably just gonna stay here in Seminyak for just to relax and just go to the beach. All right. Okay. Till next time, guys. Mwah. Good morning mga magayonon. So I'm here right now sa Seminyak, still in Seminyak, and I'm going to the beach. Ang init-init, but wala kasi akong magawa today. So sabi ko, sige na nga, magpaitim ulit ako ng bonggang-bongga. So here, I'm gonna show you kung paano papunta here. Actually parang lang siya, 17 minutes away from the place where I'm staying at. Ayan siya. Ayun yung beach. Ayan ang ganda, di ba? Ayan. Yeah, so I'll show you. So this is going to Seminyak Beach. Sunset. So this is Sunset Beach. Ayun, no? Beach Seminyak, Bali. Oh, okay. Wow. Mamayang hapon punta ako dito for sunset, I think. Maganda dito kasi Sunset Beach, oh. Diba? Ayan, so... Yeah. Yeah, ayan siya. Wow. Look at that. Ayan, may pa-shower. Oh, kung gusto mo mag-change. Yeah. I don't know how much yung dito. I think I'm just going to there. Very nice, diba? Siguro magano ko ng sunbed lang. I don't know how much it's gonna be. Yeah, how much is it? 200. 200 per bed. Okay, no, it's okay. No, it's alright. What?
100 for one.
Oh, I think. Okay. Alright. It's okay. Yeah, it's 200 daw siya. Di naman ako magtataka. 100 for, yung ganito 100 for a day. Well, ayan. Very nice. Siguro doon na lang ako mag-order na ako ng pagkain. Ayan. But look.